to say that real estate is a game of deep pockets would be stating the obvious. Most of the leading brands are brands because of their financial strengths, because on the merit of having delivered a number of projects they can think of in terms of millions of square feet. That is one of the reasons that many startups, many mid-sized developers have completely exposed themselves to unrealistic spending and have brought a brand disaster. Today, a number of mid-sized developers are sitting over the kind of projects which they could never be in a position to deliver. If we look at in global context, there are certain leading developers and there are certain boutique developers who may not be competing with larger brands on volume game, but quality game. Boutique real estate development world over is a phenomena which somehow has not been tried and tested in Indian real estate. The inherent desire to become a brand overnight has killed many hopes, dreams, ambitions of not just developers but the buyers who invested into it. I am in Bangalore. While crossing the MG Road, I accidentally came across a project called Bhadra Legacy. Now MG Road, as we all know, is pin code number 1. Any home buyer in any city across the world would like to live in a CBD where the pin code is number 1. It's a very small project, some 30,000 square feet, having just 59 units. But my inherent curiosity that how could a developer who is not known as a leading brand has got a project on MG Road. So I have just entered into this project to find that there is a developer who has the intent to do quality boutique work to evolve as a brand, but not overnight. MG Road, as we all know, is known for all the landmark hotels. As a matter of fact, most of the tourists, business travelers and NRIs would prefer to stay in MG Road, and hence when it comes to boutique luxury housing, the aspiration of a home buyer would be more or less the same. Can this project fulfill this? As I go through this project, I realize that the developer has been smart enough to understand this market dynamics, and as a result of that, his offerings are more or less on the scale of a boutique hotel than a simply bare shell over the head. This is one project which many aspiring developers, many aspiring brands should come and have a look at it, because in the given constraint of a small piece of land, with the given constraint that the developer so far is not known as a brand, he has done quite a decent job. In terms of the price point, the size of the apartment is between 1500 to 1800 square feet, and the price goes from 2.75 CR to 3 crores, which is quite modest if we just look at the profile of the location. We have normally at Track 2 Realty rated projects which are larger in scale, which has got a big bang brand theory behind it, and we rate it in terms of the brand value and as well as the specification of the project. Here in this case, the brand is just shaping up. Am I in a position to rate it? Probably not, but Track 2 Realty would like to keep a close watch on this project, maybe within next 3 months, when this project is in a much better shape, when the first phase of the project with 19 units is ready to be delivered. Probably we would be in a position to do more justice and rate this project as well as rate this emerging brand. Ravi Sinha, Track 2 Realty.